Another Captain Flavor smoke, and I am so excited. This is a 17-pound brisket cooked on this silverback, and it took 16 and a half hours. This silverback is amazing because it is insulated, it's double coated, and it just kept the temperature, and I slow cooked it at 200 degrees for all those hours. So I actually started it last night. So it's a follow-up from the last little video clip that I posted on Facebook. So here it goes. Right here, look at that. Look at the juices. Look at the juices on that. Oh. So when I got this brisket, I trimmed it real nice, and it is perfect. So we're gonna bring this bad boy right over here. Oof, look at that. Oh, let's bring it right here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut it right here in the middle. Let's turn this bad boy around so you guys can see it. I mean, look at the smoke ring. Look at that smoke ring right there. We're gonna move this one over here. Let's move this right here. All right, so I mean, it is so juicy. Oh man. All right, so I'm gonna cut my slice nice and thin. Look at the juices coming out of this. Oh man, it is so tender. Look at that. I am in love with this smoke ring. So basically my seasoning mix was some brown sugar, some pepper, and some Memphis seasoning that I love, especially to smoke brisket and chicken. So I'm gonna take this, and I got a brioche bun here, and this is a rosemary brioche bun. So with the rosemary, some slaw. You're gonna have that slaw in there. Look at that. Just like that. These flies will not leave me alone. All right, and I'm gonna take some Sticky Fingers Southern Heat sauce. We're gonna put this on there just like this. Get this. Whoa. This brisket. Oh, it's dripping. It's dripping, but look, it is dripping. Look at this brisket. Man, that is heaven.